Hi guys, Josh here, your Amazon optimization guru, and welcome to my channel where we talk about all things related to optimizing and increasing your sales on Amazon. If you're looking for a more personalized approach, I do offer one-on-one consulting services, so you can feel free to get in touch with me by using the link in the description below. So today we're going to talk about another promotion type which you may or may not be familiar with, and that promotion type is known as a Prime exclusive discount. So if you want to check out my other videos, I do have one that goes over all promotions at once and my thoughts in regard to how you could best utilize them or which ones you might be considering. Will help you do that. If you've come to your conclusion that a Prime exclusive discount is something you'd like to offer, then I'm going to walk through that with you today. So if you go to your left side, you go to advertising, you'll see Prime exclusive discounts comes up as an option. So we're going to go into that, and you can see here you have the discount page, and you should be mostly eligible as long as your products are above 3 stars and you have them fulfilled by Amazon. So if you're not quite at the Amazon fulfillment stage yet, which I would highly recommend, you can watch my other video for more information on that, then you won't be able to utilize this, but come back when you're ready so you can set one up. So a Prime exclusive discount is a little bit different in regard to the other discounts and promotions in that it's only available for Prime members. And also the way it shows up and the way it's presented and reflected on the back end is a little bit different as well compared to a coupon or a promotional code, etc. However, I do recommend that you leverage this type because I think that so far it's been the best performing, especially this past year and the year before it. Amazon's done a lot of things to give it additional visibility. And you'll see in the example I show you in a second here just how they do that and how it shows up on the product page. So if we go to Amazon, you can see here I've searched turmeric, and you'll see a lot of different listings, and they all leverage either no coupons, subscribe and save, or a coupon type, among other promotions. And then I found this one down here, which is a perfect example of a Prime exclusive discount. So you can see here it has a badge, really stands out, limited time deal with the price below. And if we click into the listing, you can see here where and what the discount is. So it's reflected near the list price here and what percentage you're getting off. So for this particular item, you're saving 39%. So it shows you how much you save. And what happens here is this price is automatically reflected. So unlike a coupon, for example, or if you hit subscribe and save, you don't know exactly what the price is until you go to your cart, and then it'll be reflected there. But with the Prime exclusive, it's reflected right on the detail page. And of course, this will run for as long as you want it to. You can make it run for shorter periods of time or less than a day or weeks or months at a time even. So I would definitely recommend that you test this as part of your overall strategy. Again, I always say make sure that your margins are healthy and that you're not discounting more to the point where you're in the negative on your products. So you'll check out my other video on margin analysis just to make sure that you're within all of the fees, and of course taking into account your product cost as well as the fulfillment. So with that being said, yeah, this type does help drive a lot of sales. It does help drive a lot of ranking in particular, which I think is hugely important, especially if you're looking to scale your products higher on the platform. So if you go back to the promotion type, you can see you can give it a name, whatever you want to do to identify it. I like to put the date that it's going to run on, or the run dates after the name of the identifier. So you could add the product name, the percentage off, and then the run dates in the title. Just makes it easier to kind of discern if you want to reference back later. And then, of course, you're going to put in your start date. So for an example, we'll just put it in here and then save and add products. And it's really easy to do. Just make sure that you have this all queued up. You'll need your product SKU. So make sure when you're in Amazon on the back end, you're looking at the SKU number specifically. And sometimes you may have an ASIN that has multiple SKUs for whatever reason. So make sure you have the one that has the FBA inventory attributed to it. And then you want to select, now my personal preference is a percentage off, but you can do a fixed price or an amount off. I think percentage, anywhere from 10 to 20 seems to be the optimal range. So if you have the margin for 20% and you want to run a limited time Prime exclusive deal to draw in additional customers at a lower price point, as well as increase your ranking, then I'd recommend that you use that percentage type. You will have to put a minimum price in here, which is great because it kind of blocks any other coupons or promotions from dipping below that. So if you are below that threshold, the coupon will throw an error. So just make sure you put your minimum price as 20% off your product price. So it's as easy as that, and then you submit it and you'll see that it runs on the specified dates and appears on Amazon just like we showed you before. Again, I think it's important to kind of test all of these together and see which one performs the best. I would highly recommend it, especially during key holiday periods and during Prime Day, etc. This is really going to perform super well. Amazon does a lot to promote it during those key periods. So with that, I hope you found this video informative. Please do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content like this. And until next time, take care.